Hey, cozy friends. I just wanted to show you this Tatcha Kissu lip mask set that I bought. And it retail values for about $225, but I got it for I think it was either $105 or $110. But anyway, when Tatcha gives out sets and kits, it's best to jump on them because separately things are just going to cost way more. So I just wanted to show you what I got in the kit. So they give you 3 samples. So I got this Tatcha Dewy Milk Moisturizer, and it's for lightweight hydration and bounce. And then they gave me the Tatcha Brightening Serum. It's a 12-hour time release, vitamin C and ferulic acid. And this is for brightening and firming. And then you get the Tatcha Longevity Memory Cream. And that is for energize and glisten. So those are the samples. And then you get these 3 lip masks. And 2 of them, well, all of them come with the spoons, but for some reason, this limited edition one doesn't have this piece on it to keep the dipping spoon in it. I don't know, maybe because it's a limited edition, I don't know. But this is the Kissu lip mask, has the dipping spoon, and that's what it looks like. Has like a small pink tint to it. And then this one is a lip mask also. And this is the spoon for this one. And this one has like a glisten, glitter to it, which is nice. And that's what it looks like. Go ahead and put some on. Why not? And then this one is the limited edition one, which is really pretty. And it's the Plum Blossom. And this one has a dark pinkish tint to this one. Let's see what that one looks like. Yeah, so that's pretty too. Might as well put this on too, why not? And then we have the pouch. And pretty much this is what sold me to get the kit, because I thought this was so cute. So I was like, yep, I'm buying it. But it has the Tatcha on here, on both sides actually. And it has a mirror inside, right in there. And so you can just fit one of these off in here and zip it up. And you can either put this, you know, if you wanted to latch it to your purse or your as a key charm, you can do it however you want, but you can put this on your purse if you want to. But I think this is adorable. And then you have the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. And this is refreshing hydrating spray. And it says to shake gently, mist 2 to 3 spritz onto the face for a boost of hydration and glow under or over makeup. And then we have the serum stick. And this is treatment and touch-up balm for eyes and face. So let's see how much of this we got. That's what it looks like. Let's see how much is in here. It's quite a bit. Okay. All right. So that's it. I just wanted to share because I know a couple of you have told me that you all are trying to, you know, spend more time on your skin and buying products. So I just wanted to share. Their lip mask, I've used them before. I've bought them before, but like I said, to have it all in a set like this and to come with a pouch like this, plus these two, because this one, which one is this? This is the Skin Mist. So this costs about $20 to $24 alone for the mini. The full of this is like $50. And then for this serum stick, the mini is like $50. And I think this is the only size that this one actually comes in. So, you know, these lip, I think these are like $30 maybe. So yeah, anytime you see Tatcha come up on a net with a skincare kit, I say jump on it because their prices are amazing when they have these kits like this. So that's all I got. Hope this helped. See ya.